Step right up and behold the majesty of the ocean, all within the confines of these walls. Wide aquariums are more than just tanks, they are portals to another world. As you gaze through the expansive glass, you are transported to coral reefs teeming with life, kelp forests swaying in the current, and the open ocean with its graceful inhabitants. These aquatic wonderlands captivate us, reminding us of the boundless beauty and mystery that lie beneath the waves. Wide aquariums evoke a sense of awe and wonder, inspiring us to learn more about the ocean and its inhabitants. They offer a glimpse into a realm that is often hidden from our view, sparking curiosity and a desire to protect our planet's most precious resource. These intricate ecosystems, meticulously crafted within glass walls, are a testament to human ingenuity and our fascination with the underwater world. But how do we recreate the vastness of the ocean within the confines of a man-made structure? The answer lies in a delicate dance of science, engineering, and artistry. It's a careful balancing act, ensuring the well-being of the animals while providing a breathtaking spectacle for the viewer. Imagine the challenge of replicating the ocean's currents, the sunlight filtering through the water, the intricate relationships between species. The magic of wide aquariums lies in their ability to transport us to another world, to awaken our senses to the wonders of the deep. As we marvel at the intricate dance of life within these glass walls, let us remember the importance of protecting the ocean and all its inhabitants. For it is in understanding and appreciating the fragility of these ecosystems that we find the inspiration to conserve them for generations to come. Creating a believable illusion of the ocean within a confined space demands a deep understanding of marine environments. The width of these aquariums is key. It allows for a more natural panoramic view, mimicking the vastness of the ocean. Unlike traditional tanks, wide aquariums create a sense of depth and scale, allowing larger marine animals to exhibit more natural behaviors. The design must consider the needs of its inhabitants. Some species require open water, while others thrive in rocky crevices or coral reefs. The layout, from the substrate to the water flow, must cater to these diverse needs. Lighting plays a crucial role in simulating the ocean's depths. From the bright sunlit surface to the dimmer depths, light intensity and spectrum are carefully calibrated. Filtration systems act as the aquarium's life support, constantly cleaning and circulating the water. These sophisticated systems remove waste, regulate salinity, and maintain oxygen levels essential for marine life. The sheer volume of water in a wide aquarium presents unique challenges. Maintaining stable water chemistry is crucial, as even slight fluctuations can impact the health of the animals. Creating a thriving ecosystem within an aquarium is no small feat. It's a testament to our understanding of marine science and our dedication to recreating the ocean's magic for all to experience. But the journey doesn't stop there. Beyond the technical aspects, recreating the ocean environment requires a deep understanding of the delicate balance that exists within these complex ecosystems. Building a wide aquarium is a complex feat of engineering, requiring careful consideration of scale and structural integrity. The expansive glass panels, often acrylic for its clarity and strength, must withstand immense pressure from the sheer volume of water. Behind the scenes, a network of pipes, pumps, and filters works tirelessly to maintain the artificial ocean environment. The health of the aquarium's inhabitants depends on maintaining water quality that mirrors their natural habitat. Temperature, salinity, and pH levels must be constantly monitored and adjusted. Specialized lighting systems mimic the natural day and night cycles, influencing the behavior and biological rhythms of the marine life. Feeding a diverse community of marine animals requires careful planning and expertise. From tiny plankton to large sharks, each species has unique dietary needs. Aquarists, the unsung heroes of these underwater worlds, play a crucial role in ensuring the well-being of the animals. They are responsible for preparing and distributing food, monitoring animal health, and maintaining the overall balance of the ecosystem. The success of a wide aquarium lies in the seamless integration of engineering marvels with the delicate balance of nature. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to recreate in miniature the wonders of the ocean world. But the story doesn't end there. These aquariums serve as more than just entertainment. They are vital centers for conservation and education.